Guys, this might be dangerous, but who cares because we have a lot of jet engines with a random toad in the middle of the train, and we're gonna get a world record. Let's go. Sound effects. A lack of sound effects for me. Look at how many jet engines we have. Tell me this isn't danger. Look at how many jet engines we have, and tell me this isn't dangerous. Whoa, I almost derailed. Go, quick. He's a blue Donald. He's a blue Douglas, and I'm a blue Henry the Gordon's Tender. What? Toad's busy going backwards. Toad's busy going backwards. Come to Ellsbridge, quick. We mixed up our engines. We mixed up our engines. So as a result, Blue Henry with Gordon's Tender. You know, like the One Hit Era episode. It's good to be Gordon. Whoa, we have a few. Whoa, stop the train. Jet engines derailed in the back. Oh no! Look at how many jet engines are derailed at the back.
Turn them off!
Maybe life lesson or not, I don't know. Don't use too many jet engines because this might go. Yeah, go to the back of our train. Ready, hero?
Yeah, there's gonna be jet fuel.
Hero, I hope you like jet fuel in your face.
Also, try to keep your brakes on and also Toad derailed.
Aw, man, Toad doesn't have a delete button. Yay, Toad is here. Although, now we have to go into this line because of Toad.
Now,
Go! Wait, and... Ready? Cole and Donald Cole empty. My coal's empty. Donald's coal is here. Empty your coal. Hero, your coal empty. Let's go fast. Why did we stop? I can't, whoa, okay, we're going fast. Like of sound effects again, like a sound effects. Jax told me to get in his engine, and I did. Whoa, okay, we're going fast, right, hero? Woohoo! Uh-oh, the bridge! Nobody collapsed the bridge! No! Ow! Ow! Well, that's a death. We lost a ton of jet engines. Now, on to another one. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Grand Prix. Jax, what are we gonna do? We're gonna race with 2 jet engines each. I have Streamline Thomas, Jax is Percy. Yeah, and Oliverfan has Toby with Henrietta. Because why wouldn't Toby have Henrietta? Okay, now Percy, you get on a different line.
Okay, so I'll take this line.
Let's all start at Crosby. Let's start here. This fits this is a good spot. Percy, have any livery? I can do good. Yeah, I can hold them. Little Toby. Little Toby.
Where are you?
Is he AFK? I think he's AFK. Welcome! Okay, Grand Prix.
Stop.
Grand Prix.
What I mean by quickly is it's your jet fuel.
Welcome to the Farcore Engines Grand Prix. Jax is Percy. I have Thomas, who I did streamlined to fit the situation. And each of us have 2 jet engines each. No, whoa. Whoa, what's going on? Thomas is longer. Jax, check.
I'll get you it.
Is everybody ready? Go! Toby is off to a bad start while Thomas is in second place. Here, go, Percy. Percy, number 6. Whoa! How is Thomas losing, despite him being streamlined? Why is Thomas slowing down? Thomas is slowing down. You see this? Percy, what are you doing? Wait for me. Let's all... Okay, I need to do my coal for a second. I need to do my coal for a second. Uh-oh, curves. See you later, Toby. Here's where the fun starts. Whee! Percy, I don't know where you are, but I'm coming. Thomas is confused. He doesn't know why he is going so slow. Percy, where are you? These jet engines are so scary, Percy, aren't they?
What do you think? I quit.
Hey, betcha I can beat you to the top. Well, Streamline Thomas goes faster, or Thomas goes faster when as you can see, he goes faster when he's in his Streamline livery. No, I can't get to the top. Despite me having jet engines. Oh wait, I can get to the top if I can. Don't give up just yet. See how slow I'm going? Toby, stop! Stop, Toby! Let's all wait at the top of Gordon's Hill. Here's Grand Prix Part 2. All of the engines are determined to beat this race. Who will win the race? Who?
Grand Prix is called Chase That Wild Toby.
No, Toby is competing. Who will win the race and take home the golden cup truck thing? Is everybody ready?
Well, bye, Toby. Bye, Thomas.
Well, Thomas, go! What? Oh my gosh, Toby is running away. We must catch him, Percy. Let's go. Does Thomas go slower in his Streamline livery? Thomas wants to see if he can go faster when not streamlined. And also, he's behind Toby. I'm coming for you, Toby. Oh. Oh, crash. Percy, I got him. Percy. I don't know if I've got him or not. Turn off the jet engines. See the damage I've done? Percy, does this count as getting Toby?
Hold on. No,
it does not count.
Since one of the jet engines is gone,
Toby, you go. Aw, man. Whoa, okay, Toby, go, be free. And Percy, you go be free as well.
Chase them, I'll go chase them.
Well, guess I just stand here then. And result, Toby crashed and Percy came off the rails. I guess we're making these separate videos.